I have ALCATEL free, and let me show you how to set up date and time settings on the following device. So at the very beginning, let's start by using your home screen. Let's tap apps icon. Here you need to find and select the settings. Scroll down again, and now you have to find and select system. From system tab you need to find and choose date and time. Right now I've got automatic time zone and also automatic date and time, but I can use and disable this automatic time zone to set up time zone manually. Here I can choose one of the following time zones. I can also go back and set up the date and time manually by choosing right here the first option. Let's tap off, and you can set date right here and set time also here. What's also really important here, you can use automatic date and time by using the network provider or by using GPS. In my case, let me use the network. You can also here choose the date format. You can use 24-hour format or 12-hour format. So basically everything went well. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel, leave thumbs up under the video.